Peace and Harmony family. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make purple sea moss gel, and just a heads up, my page will be turning more into a natural holistic remedy type of thing, so just giving y'all a heads up along with my skincare. So make sure when you get your sea moss, you definitely wash it, and I did it with lukewarm water. I didn't want to do it too hot, and I didn't want to do it cold, but I made sure that I did the water and was really thoroughly rubbing it through my fingers so I can get most of that sea salt out of it. Next, we're going to put in some spring water, natural spring mineral water. We want to make this as natural as possible, and I did make it sit for 24 hours. As you can see, it looks so fluffy and healthy. Look at that. And I didn't put in the video, but I did do 2 key limes. The key limes acts as a preservative, and it also takes away that seed-like taste. As you can see, look at the consistency. Bye.